And rain-free this evening when it's time for a little party on the plaza. Getting a little help from our friend Gnash. Oh, look at there, Gnash. He is showing us 66 degrees for us here right at the beginning of the game, and then 59 for us a little bit later in the day. But there's Gnash helping us out. Puck drops, he tells me, at 7 o'clock this evening, and we're going to take it to the Jets, right? We're going to knock them out. All right, let's show you what's up with temperatures, Gnash. Gnash letting you know that it's going to be a bit on the cool side for you as you walk out the door this morning. May want to grab a jacket out there. But then later in the day, not too bad. Look at those numbers out there. Thumbs up from Gnash on that one. 73 in Nashville, only in the 60s at Cookeville and Crossville. Another cool night is on the way for us out there. Look at those temperatures for you overnight tonight. Those numbers are going to be in the 40s for us for this evening.